Hello, dear traders. Welcome to Trading Hero YouTube channel. My name is Oleg Prishepo, and let's start our weekly review. Happy New Year. I wish all of you good health and financial prosperity in 2023, and I'm sure that our strategy will help us to reach your financial goals. Our total profitability is plus 166%. We only resumed trading on Thursday. That's why our profit for this year is 0.16%, but it's only the beginning. We have a lot of open trades, and we're gonna discuss all of them now. As for the previous year, we closed it with profit of 40% in conservative version and plus 80% in moderate version with increased risks and profitability. As for 2023, if everything goes according to the plan, we're not going to have some extra events and stop losses. We're expecting to get at least 70% from the conservative portfolio and around 140% from the moderate one. Let's switch to MetaTrader and see how we were trading during the current week. Our first currency pair is GBP to USD. We are on 1 hour time frame, and as you can see, we resumed trading only on Thursday, so we didn't open any trades like previously. After the market decreased on Thursday and retested the previous support level, we opened our first position in this year. We were buying from here. Then on Friday, before the news, when the market renewed these local lows, we averaged this trade and then closed both of them with a total profit. One deal was closed with loss, one deal with profit, but in overall, we made some profit. Then we sold on this reversal movement, and after non-farm payrolls news was revealed, and we had an impulse for more than 1,000 pips for an hour. We opened another selling position and then averaged it at the retest of the previous highs. Now we have two positions here. If we'll take a look at a global chart on GBP USD, you can see that we have this uptrend from the beginning, like from the end of September. Then from the middle of December, we had this correction, and now this correction seems to be over. Let's wait for the retest of the previous local highs and see how it goes. We're expecting for the market to decrease, and we're going to close our open deals with profit the next week. The next currency pair is GBP to Canadian dollar. We also resumed trading on Thursday, so that's why we have only 2 days with trades. On Thursday, when we broke the previous resistance, previous support level, we opened our buying position and closed it with profit, and the same as with GBP to USD. After non-farm payrolls, we opened a selling position after this impulse and now waiting for the market to bounce back from this price. If it gonna increase in price, we still have the capacity to average the trades before it reaches the previous resistance level to retest it. The next currency pair is Australian to New Zealand dollar. As for this currency, we didn't have enough of volatility to open any trades, so that's why there are no trades to discuss here. As for New Zealand to Canadian dollar, we had only one trade open after like the news. We started tracking the market since Thursday. We also didn't have enough of volatility despite the fact that we broke the previous support level. Like it was not enough in terms of volatility to open a trade. But after the like news on Friday, we moved to around 1,000 pips. So that's why it was enough for the algorithm to open a selling position. I want to remind you that we have two robots here, and the second one still awaits to be activated. If the price will go up, we're going to average the trade with the first one and start opening the positions with the second one. We are waiting for the market to bounce back. The situation is like similar to the one that we have on GBP to Canadian dollar. We have the resistance level like slightly above the current prices. As for New Zealand to Canadian dollar, situation is like plus minus the same, so we can expect for the market to move with approximately the same scenarios. And the last currency pair is Australian to Canadian dollar. You can see actually we have a new uptrend here. It's like clearly visible. And on Friday, we opened our first buying position from here. Then after the news after non-farm payrolls and like retest of the local high, we opened our selling position, and also we are waiting for the market to bounce back from these prices to close our deals with profit. If not, we still have the capacity to average the trades till we reach the previous resistance level. That may be a good resistance, and we can expect for some correction from this level. So that's all for now. We only started trading. Let's track the strategy. If you're only thinking about like how to subscribe to the strategy, the beginning of the financial year, it is the best time to join the strategy. So that's why if you want to subscribe, feel free to ask any questions. If you want to change multiplier to earn more this year, if you made some profit and you want to reinvest it, also like feel free to ask me or your personal managers. We're going to help you with it. So I wish you good luck in trading and see you next Saturday.